Hey adrenaline enthusiasts, strap in because we're bringing you the wildest chases, insane stunts, and heart-pounding action. It's full speed ahead. Get ready to experience the ultimate thrill. Let's go! The high-speed chase in Forsyth County, Georgia, in 2022 was an adrenaline-fueled spectacle. Dashcam footage captured an inebriated driver swerving recklessly, blasting through stop signs. When cops tried to pull them over, the driver took off, sparking a wild pursuit with multiple agencies on the scene. Thankfully, it ended without major injuries, but it highlighted the serious dangers of drunk driving and the challenges law enforcement faces in these intense situations. The driver was surprisingly skilled, making it tough for the cops to keep up during that wild chase. They were swerving recklessly, but you have to admit, their driving skills made it a real challenge for law enforcement to catch up. The cops finally brought the skilled driver to stop with a perfectly executed spike strip. You could feel the tension as they moved in, strategically boxing him in and forcing him off the road. Once the car was immobilized, the officers sprang into action, apprehending the suspect without any more drama. What a thrilling end to a wild chase.
130.
In 2016, Lake County, California, was buzzing with action as police chased down a serial bank robber. After a spree of heists, the suspect tried to make a quick getaway, but law enforcement wasn't having it and wasn't there to play. Just enjoy this wild scene yourself.
Foot bail, foot bail. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Put your hands out to the side! Hands out to the side! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You move, you're gonna get shot, you understand?
Central 45, we're out with them giving verbal commands. We're at Highway 20 in Pingree.
Do not move!
All right, Mike, I got lethal. Check the car, check the car.
I got the car, Mike. I'm coming up behind him. Car's clear. Guns in front of him.
I'm coming around, I'm coming around.
Hey, lad, go get that gun, will you?
In April 2023, Solon, Ohio, was on high alert as police chased down a stolen vehicle driven by a 16-year-old carjacker. The teen was speeding recklessly, trying to evade capture, but the officers were hot on his tail and ended up firing shots at the 16-year-old.
Get the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
The following footage is from the other cop's perspective.
Trapped. We're stopped. We're stopped. We're stopped. Crashed out. Crashed out. Here's the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! We're running southbound! Southbound! 3 yards! Running southbound! 3 yards!
Ray is on foot, southbound 3 yards. Global.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Alright, he dropped the gun. He dropped the gun. Eastbound. Eastbound. In front of the old school. Hey, get down! Stop! Stop! Get down! Get down now! Get down now! Get down now! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down!
Copy.
All right, give me the air. He dropped the gun. I have him down. He dropped the gun. Give me the air. Are you hit?
No, sir.
You're not injured?
No, sir.
All right, we're behind a yellow house. If you're on Arthur, we're behind a yellow house.
Right, reason route.
Start EMS just in case. He's saying he's not hit, but start EMS just in case.
Copy. I copy, yellow house.
Don't move.
127, you see him?
I have him. I have him.
103's out with him.
Don't move. Keep your arms out to your side.
I'm fighting round. We don't need lockdowns. Negative, man.
I'm coming around to you. I'll cuff. I'll cuff.
Got it. I'm looking for a stolen vehicle. Can you tell us that close by?
Yeah, it's gonna be in the backyard over here by us. All right.
No problem.
I gotta check, see if you're hit, okay? Any more weapons on you? I'm gonna move you around here. It's gonna hurt a minute, but I gotta make sure you're not hit, okay? We should cut his coat.
All right. Response from the girl or anything?
Stand by,
Stand by, I'll let you know.
What's that?
One guy?
Yeah. Guy's gonna be back. He's gonna be back here somewhere.
You got him?
Yep.
Yeah, we got him. Thanks, Dale.
What's that? Yeah. Are you feeling pain anywhere?
3634 rating.
Throw him over.
Come out with 103. Gonna try to find the gun that he dropped. Yeah, what with your cars? My car is on Arthur Road. Yeah, you don't enter with your cars.
I don't see any hit. No marks. No marks.
Okay. All right, let's get him up.
Thankfully, nobody was hurt, and the suspect was ultimately apprehended and taken to jail.